Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Sturf. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my taco and fajita quick, easy meal ground beef with a interesting medley from US Wellness Meats of ground heart, liver, and kidney in ground beef. We also have Wassey's Meat Market. I picked this up the other day. It's not grass finished, but doesn't matter. I needed to get some meat and it was a good price. This is a little bit more expensive, but you get so much more benefit from that. But it's not much more expensive, like maybe 10 bucks. Patients of mine can use the description in the link in the description below, and you can hopefully get some discounts on this. I recently got affiliated with US Wellness Meats because I figured I may as well. I use them so much and always recommend them. May as well get discounts for my patients. So the way it goes is like, yeet, just gate that in there, and then get your taco mix. This is from Primal Palette, and we just sprinkle that in there like that. Pretty simple. And then we get a spoon, and we mix it up. It's so fatty, it doesn't really need anything else in there. It's not going to burn. We're going to slow cook this. Right, so we just kind of mix that up there. And we have the Ninja 9-in-1 air fryer here, and it has all kinds of settings here. So we're going to set it to slow cook. And let me get the lid for that. Forgot about that. Okay, here it is. Here's the lid, very simple. We've got our taco mix all mixed up in there. Whoops, lost a bit there. And that's it. You can see it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. You get a nice, easy meal prep for a couple days. You know, I'm going to a tennis tournament down in South Florida. That's why I'm meal prepping here. I'm going to do this overnight. We're going to set it to low temp. That goes for 8 hours, and we just hit that button, and boom, we're going to have delicious taco fajita ground beef with a bit of organs thrown in there. Great easy way to get some organs in. Obviously that ratio of 2 pounds of regular ground beef to then a ground beef with a little bit of organs, you're not going to taste the organs at all. It's going to taste like regular ground beef, especially since you put the spices in there. If you want more nutrient density, obviously you just increase the ratio of organ meats to the ground beef. But that's it. I tell you what, Ninja 9-in-1, I wish I was affiliated with them and could get you all discounts. I'm not. They're great. It's a life changer. It's so easy to cook out of this thing. Easy cleanup, and you can cook 9 different ways. You can grill it, you can air fry it, slow cook it, pressure cook it, anything you want. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Cheers, raw milk.